Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Cuisinart FP-11SV Elemental Food Processor, a kitchen appliance that promises to streamline your cooking experience. We found this product online, and you'll find the link in the description below to check out its latest price and availability. The Cuisinart FP-11SV is an 11-cup food processor designed to handle a variety of food preparation tasks with ease. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, this food processor is built to help you tackle everything from chopping vegetables to kneading dough. One of the standout features of this food processor is its powerful 550-watt motor. This means you can quickly mix, chop, puree, emulsify, slice, and shred without worrying about it slowing down or struggling with tougher ingredients. The efficiency of this machine makes it an excellent companion for those who love to cook, especially when you're entertaining guests or preparing larger meals. Another notable highlight is the adjustable slicing disc and reversible shredding disc. This versatility allows you to slice your ingredients from thick to thin and shred them finely or coarsely, depending on your recipe's needs. This feature is particularly helpful when you're preparing a variety of dishes that require different textures, like salads, slaws, or even homemade salsas. Additionally, the Supreme Wide Mouth Feed Tube is a game changer. It accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, which means you can spend less time pre-cutting ingredients and more time enjoying the cooking process. This feature is especially beneficial for busy home cooks who want to maximize their efficiency in the kitchen. So, who is the Cuisinart FP-11SV suitable for? It's ideal for anyone who regularly prepares meals at home, whether you're a busy parent needing to whip up quick weeknight dinners, a culinary enthusiast looking to refine your skills, or someone who enjoys hosting gatherings and needs a reliable tool to help with meal prep. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with a spread of freshly made dips and appetizers. You can use the Cuisinart to quickly chop herbs for a vibrant pesto, slice up an array of colorful vegetables for a crudite platter, or shred cheese for a delicious homemade lasagna. The possibilities are endless. In summary, the Cuisinart FP-11SV Elemental Food Processor is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly kitchen appliance that can elevate your cooking game. With its generous capacity, powerful motor, and thoughtful design, it's worth considering for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep and unleash their culinary creativity. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.